बोलो, मैं सौरभ हूँ और आज का विषय है
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड। आपका स्वागत है।
क्रिएट अ टेबल with the help of plus and minus keys, where plus stand for vertical line and minus is for the number of columns in a row. Press tab key to switch to next column. When you are in last column of the row, click tab to create a new row. Tip number 2. Add hyperlinks to your document. The hyperlink can be text or graphics. Select the targeted text to which you want to add the link. Click Insert tab and choose Hyperlink from the context menu. In the following dialog, choose Existing file or web page from the left pane. Now, insert the link in the text field for address. Click OK to save the changes. Now press Ctrl on your keyboard and left mouse click to text. Now let insert hyperlink to an image. First, to create new column in a table, just click above table. Where cursor is in black color, a menu item will appear. Now click insert comma, choose insert right. I am giving heading as image and insert a image in a cell. Resize image. Now repeat the way. This time I preferred to select a folder from my PC. Done. Third number tip. Create Unicode symbol. Use ASCII or Unicode character codes to insert a symbol in word starter. Type to 706 and press Ctrl+X. The key together to create a contact icon. Others are shown on the screen. Can change size and color of any icon. Or you can select more icon from, go to insert symbol, scroll up or down to find the symbol you want to insert. When you find the symbol you want, double click it. The symbol will be inserted in your file. Select close. Done. Tip number 4. Generate random text in Word. Generate lorem ipsum text with e lorem formula. If you want 4 paragraphs that each contain 2 sentences, you'd use the following formula and hit enter. Same for rand formula. done.
Tip number 5. Generate text to table in Word. To generate text to the table, here is a list of computer shortcut keys with purpose, which can be divided into 2 columns. To select the whole list, press Ctrl+A, go to the Insert tab, and press the arrow below the table tag to show more options. Choose to convert text to a table, fill in the required columns, and others on the section separate text at, and fill colon in the blank space. As our text is separated, click OK.